I'm MICHROWSKI and we're Propulo, safety culture transformation advisors working with Fortune 500 organizations, putting safety at the heart of the business. 8 offices, 15 years experience, advice backed by science. Today, I'm here with our Monday morning safety moment in our Propulo studios. Today in our safety moment, we're going to talk about the importance of running regular safety inspections and running preventative maintenance in the tools and the equipment or the vehicles that you use. It's very easy to not spot a difference that starts introducing over time. A difference maybe in sound or in terms of tire pressure. Every day when you start, don't take for a given that everything works. Do a check. If you think about airline pilots, there's not a single flight that they don't go around checking the aircraft to make sure everything works and checking every piece of equipment to make sure all systems are go. Implement that safety practice in everything that you do, including when you're driving a car to work. Thank you.